Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Cardo Freecom 4X. I actually did a review on this and installation in a previous video. But today we're going to be talking about how can we make the sound even better. I really like the 4X. It's a good unit. I haven't tested the intercom function yet on it. That's yet to come, but I have tried listening to the radio. I've made phone calls on it, and I've listened to music on my iPhone. But we're going to see how can we improve the sound even better. And again, the Freecom 4X comes with 40 millimeter JBL speakers, which is an upgrade over the beginning entry level lines that they have. But today we're actually going to take a look and install the JBL 45 millimeter speakers and see what kind of improvement that gives us in overall sound and clarity. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're going to install these 45 millimeter JBL speakers in the helmet and see what kind of improvement we get. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like the videos, and make sure you hit that bell for the notifications. So let's get into this. So it looks like it does come with covers, extra set of covers for it, and some additional Velcro mounting pieces, and then of course the speakers. Alright, so we're going to take these speakers out of here. Let me just undo these cheek pads. And so if you can see, these speakers sit right in here in these indents. So we will take that out. And just take this back off so we get that wire out of the back. Alright, and just unplug like that. So anyway, you can see the difference in these two. So that's quite a bit bigger. That should give us more sound coming out of those speakers than the 40 millimeters. So let's take a look and see what happens. Now for you that think, oh, those speakers are too big, they might not fit. They actually have a smaller back part here that sits in the indent on the helmet, so the actual speaker will sit just slightly out, which is fine because there's plenty of room in there with the cheek pads anyway. So we'll go ahead and put those in. Now the one thing that I did do is I cut a little notch here in this part that slides up in the helmet next to the foam, so that these wires could be tucked easily in here, and so they just sit in this groove. Okay, anyway, that's all there is to it. So I will I'll do some testing. I'll listen to it, see if it seems better, and let you know what I think of it. All right, well, I had a chance to take it out and listen to it. Really, I wish there was a way to put the mic inside the helmet so that you guys could hear what I'm actually hearing on the bike. I just haven't figured out how to do that. But the 45 millimeter speakers, I feel, did make a big difference. So I would recommend it. I'm no audio expert by no means, but I feel like the sound was better, and sounded like, to me, it had a little bit more power behind it. So definitely recommend the upgrade if you can. I think these run right around 80 bucks or so. You can get them on the Cardo site, but add that, you know, of course, to the price of the unit, and you know, you're getting up there a little bit in money. But I think it's definitely worth it. And of course, Cardo has units that are even considerably higher than this one. But overall, I really like it. And one of these days soon, I'm going to try the intercom function of it and then see how that works. That way, you know, talking between other riders that are riding with me. But for now, that's it. You know, I recommend them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.